If your space constantly feels messy no matter what you do, it's probably not you, it's your setup. In this video, we're breaking down 20 smart Amazon finds that help you organize better, save space, and make your home feel clean and functional again. These are simple upgrades that actually work in real life, and once you see a few of these, you'll wish you had them sooner. All links are in the description, so let's get started. Let's start strong with something that instantly upgrades both the look and functionality of your kitchen. These bar stools are perfect for kitchen counters and breakfast bars, giving you a clean, modern seating option without taking up unnecessary space. This works especially well in small kitchens or apartments where every inch matters, and having proper seating can completely change how usable your space feels. This adds comfort for everyday meals, quick coffee breaks, or even working on your counter. You'll usually find these around $100 to $120, which feels like a solid upgrade without overspending. Right after that, this compact metal drum table is one of those pieces that quietly solves multiple problems at once without adding clutter. This slim 15-inch design works perfectly as a side table, plant stand, or even a quick drop zone for keys, drinks, or decor. This fits effortlessly into tight corners, making it ideal for apartments or rooms where space is limited but functionality still matters. This also adds a slightly industrial, modern touch to your setup. You'll typically see this around $60 to $70, which is great for something this versatile and durable. Moving along, this wonder hanger system is easily one of the simplest yet most effective upgrades for anyone struggling with closet space. This lets you hang multiple clothes vertically, instantly freeing up room while keeping everything organized and visible. This is especially useful for small closets, shared wardrobes, or seasonal clothing storage where things can pile up fast. This also helps reduce wrinkles since clothes stay properly spaced. You'll usually find this around $15 to $18, making it one of those small purchases that delivers a surprisingly big impact. Here's another smart upgrade. This broom holder with built-in organizer keeps all your cleaning tools in one neat, easy-to-access spot instead of scattered around your home. This mounts securely on the wall and holds mops, brooms, and other supplies without slipping, while freeing up valuable floor space. This works great in laundry areas, kitchens, or even garages where things tend to get messy quickly. This instantly makes your space feel more organized without much effort. You'll generally find this around $20 to $25, which is a very reasonable price for the convenience it adds. Sliding right into something super practical, this rolling fruit and vegetable storage cart is perfect if your kitchen always feels like it's running out of space. This gives you multiple tiers to organize produce, snacks, or pantry essentials while keeping everything visible and easy to grab. This slim design fits into narrow gaps, corners, or beside cabinets, making it ideal for small kitchens or apartments. This also helps reduce clutter on your counters instantly. You'll typically find this around $35 to $45, which feels like a great deal for the extra storage it creates. Now this one's clever. This spring push drink dispenser makes your fridge look instantly more organized, while also making it easier to grab drinks quickly. This automatically pushes cans or bottles forward after each use, so everything stays aligned without you having to adjust it constantly. This is perfect for busy households or anyone who wants a cleaner, more structured fridge setup. This also helps maximize space inside your fridge. You'll usually see this priced around $28 to $32, making it a small upgrade that adds noticeable convenience every day. Keeping things moving, this clear shower curtain liner is a simple but important upgrade that keeps your bathroom looking clean, bright, and well-maintained. This prevents water from splashing outside while maintaining a minimal, neat look that works with any bathroom style. This is easy to install, easy to clean, and helps maintain hygiene without extra effort. This is one of those essentials that you don't think about until you upgrade it. You'll generally find this around $12 to $16, which makes it an easy and practical everyday addition. Here's something perfect for saving space. This wall-mounted clothes drying rack is a must-have for homes where laundry space is limited. This folds flat against the wall when not in use, giving you extra drying space without taking up any floor area. This works great in bathrooms, laundry rooms, or even balconies where space is tight. This makes drying clothes much more convenient without adding clutter. You'll typically find this around $50 to $60, which feels very reasonable for something that saves space every single day. Flowing right into desk organization, this storage organizer with multiple drawers helps keep your workspace clean, structured, and easy to manage. This provides dedicated compartments for stationery, accessories, documents, or even small gadgets, so everything stays in place. This is perfect for home offices, study setups, or vanity tables where clutter builds up quickly. This makes your space feel more productive and less chaotic instantly. You'll usually see this around $28 to $35, making it a simple upgrade that improves both organization and daily workflow. After that, we have this antimicrobial utensil tray is perfect for keeping your kitchen drawers neat, hygienic, and easy to navigate. This features multiple compartments that separate spoons, forks, knives, and other tools, so everything stays organized and easy to access. This also helps prevent clutter from building up over time inside your drawers. This is easy to clean and fits most standard drawer sizes. You'll typically find this around $18 to $22, making it a small but highly effective upgrade for everyday kitchen organization. Quick heads up, you'll find all product links in the description if you want to check any of these out. Let's keep things moving with something that instantly fixes one of the most frustrating spaces in your home. This under-sink organizer makes use of that awkward area that usually turns into a clutter mess. This gives you tiered storage so you can neatly arrange cleaning supplies, bottles, and essentials while keeping everything easy to access. This slides out smoothly so nothing gets lost in the back. This is perfect for kitchens and bathrooms alike. You'll typically find this around $30 to $40, which feels totally worth it for the space it unlocks. Right after that, this corner shower caddy is one of the easiest ways to upgrade your bathroom without any major changes. This fits neatly into the corner of your shower, giving you multiple tiers to organize shampoos, soaps, and daily essentials without cluttering the edges. This keeps everything within reach while making your shower look clean and organized. This is especially useful in smaller bathrooms where storage is limited. You'll usually see this around $20 to $28, making it a simple and effective organization upgrade. Moving along, this can opener might seem basic, but having a reliable one actually makes a big difference in your daily kitchen routine. This is designed for smooth, effortless operation, reducing strain while opening cans quickly and safely. This compact design is easy to store and doesn't take up unnecessary drawer space. This is one of those tools you use more often than you expect. You'll typically find this around $12 to $18, making it a small but essential addition to any well-organized kitchen setup. Here's another smart and super versatile upgrade. These adhesive hooks are perfect for adding storage without drilling or damaging your walls. This sticks securely to most surfaces and can hold keys, towels, kitchen tools, or accessories wherever you need them. This is ideal for renters or anyone who wants flexible organization solutions. This instantly creates extra hanging space in seconds. You'll generally find a pack around $10 to $15, making it one of the easiest and most affordable ways to reduce clutter. Sliding right into closet organization, this acrylic belt organizer keeps your belts neatly arranged, visible, and easy to access instead of piled up in drawers. This clear design lets you quickly find what you need while keeping everything looking clean and minimal. This also works great for ties, scarves, or small accessories. This is perfect for anyone who wants a more organized wardrobe without extra effort. You'll usually see this around $18 to $25, which is a great value for keeping your closet structured. Now this one's a total drawer upgrade. These clothing drawer organizers help you separate and store items like socks, underwear, and folded clothes without everything mixing together. This creates a clean, structured layout so you can find what you need instantly. This is perfect for dressers, closets, or even shelves where things tend to get messy quickly. This also helps maximize drawer space efficiently. You'll typically find these around $20 to $30, making them a simple but highly effective organization solution. Keeping things going, these fabric foldable storage boxes are perfect for adding flexible storage wherever you need it. This works great for clothes, toys, linens, or miscellaneous items while keeping everything neatly contained. This folds flat when not in use, making it easy to store or move around as needed. This is ideal for shelves, closets, or underbed storage. This helps reduce visible clutter instantly. You'll generally find these around $22 to $30, offering a clean and practical storage upgrade. Here's something that adds both function and style. This bamboo utensil holder keeps your frequently used kitchen tools organized and within easy reach. This sits neatly on your countertop while holding spatulas, spoons, and cooking essentials without creating clutter. This natural bamboo design adds a clean, modern touch to your kitchen setup. This is perfect for everyday cooking convenience. You'll usually see this around $18 to $24, making it a simple upgrade that improves both organization and aesthetics. Flowing right into larger storage solutions, these plastic storage bins with lids are perfect for keeping items organized while protecting them from dust and mess. This works great for closets, garages, kitchens, or even under bed storage. This stackable design helps maximize vertical space while keeping everything neatly contained. This is ideal for seasonal items or things you don't use daily. You'll typically find these around $25 to $35, making them a practical and reliable storage essential. And finally, ending on a strong note, this wall-mounted ironing board is a game changer for saving space while keeping your home functional. This folds neatly into the wall when not in use, eliminating the need for bulky standalone boards. This is perfect for small homes, apartments, or laundry areas where space is limited. This makes ironing much more convenient without adding clutter. You'll usually find this around $70 to $85, which feels like a smart investment for long-term space-saving convenience. So, those were 20 practical finds that can seriously improve how your space looks and works every day. If you enjoyed this, drop a like and share it with someone who could use a cleaner setup. And don't forget to subscribe for more smart Amazon finds like this. All product links are in the description, so feel free to explore them, and I'll catch you in the next video.